Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use Descript AI Assistant Underlord. Now, using the AI Assistant, which is called Underlord, is very quick, simple, easy. All you have to do is make sure that you're in a project, go to the right-hand side, the bottom of the page, you'll see Underlord, and here you can see I already have a conversation history, okay? So you can create a new chat if you would like to, but ultimately, what you're going to do is go down and where it says Ask Underlord, you're going to type in whatever it is that you need to type in. So let's give it a command. Here we're saying cut out all silences and make the video clip very fast-paced and edgy. What it's going to do literally is it's going to cut out all of the silences. So we'll be speaking really fast, really fast-paced, and there'll be no silences. And this is great for social media. You want to keep somebody's attention. You want to get as much information in as quickly as possible. You don't give them a chance to think. Okay, that's what it's going to sound like. But you don't have to record it that way. So all you have to do is upload your clip and go to the AI assistant and ask it to do exactly that. Now, there are other edits that we can do. So let's go ahead and type in another edit. All right, so the first part over here, you can see that it is done the first command. Over here, you can also add in your second one. So we've said add in an old nostalgic color grade or color filter to make it look old. We just want it to look old. You can also see over here, it's given you the details. So it's shortened 18 gaps from 109 seconds and it's down to 43 seconds. It's also increased the playback speed over here. And you also have removed repeated phrases and false starts. So this is great. This is a nice way of not having to edit all of this individually or one by one or manually. So on the left hand side, just to show you quickly, this is actually showing you what has been removed. And now we have a warm temperature, reduced saturation, we've lifted shadows, increased contrast, and we have a slight exposure reduction. And let's have a look, all in all, what this now looks like. That he's given him everything that he's asked for, but he still can't do it. All right, fantastic. Now you know how to use Underlord, which is Descript's AI agent.